So on the turn box, these here are just some temp links I will put in until we had arrived with a little switch down in the bottom. So we're just going to remove all those out of there. So we're free to test. Now on this here, when we're testing, that's it off as well, we'll get that peel. This on here when we're testing, right? See these labels, and if you've seen the earlier video, I like to pre-label it all up before I even start testing, right? Because when I'm testing, what I can do is go, oh, Wi-Fi, bed 2 data, bed 2 data, bed 2 TV, right into go. Look at drawings. It's just a minor thing here, but for me it's just all about that efficiency and like stressing yourself out. So look at this drawing here, bed, I mean, it's on there, can zoom it on the phone, it's what the lads sometimes do, but on here, if I label it all up, or like on here where I know 2 are the wrong way around, I'm going to tick them, I'm going to cross them, we're going to mark them out as we go across there, and I'm going to reprint those labels with the updated labels. For me, that is much easier. So Al, oh Wi-Fi, are you in?
I'm in.
He's in. He's in. The man is in. So just applied that, just changing down to Cat 6. We're now going to do a test. We're going to hit the auto test button. Come back. So that's for I'm going to test at 1 gigabit per second on the wire map. That's testing through. Wire map. So that there is detected that the cable length to where he is at 10 meters. If anybody's asking about the label, check the date and time. I mean, it's a minute out. I'm gonna roll with that. There we go. So cable number 1 is passed. I'm gonna hit the save button. We have auto save off as off, and that there the results. So if I come on here, come into this box here, the result 0001. I'm going to delete the text on there because that is A01. A01. Okay, save. So I'll save off. I'll save only on pass. There we go. So then that I was going to save it. So next one is bed 2 data out. There we go. It's found it. It's ready to test. Auto test. And then it's going to go through there. So what we're doing on this, we're going to test everything before we do anything. And the reason for that is it's just going to make life so much easier. It's all tested. Once we've tested it, I'm going to update all the labels. And when it comes to putting the patch in, it's just plug it all in. All very easy. That's passed, sir. So you can see here now we've got the racking, which has been built off site. Alan and Andy actually did, well, I think credit where it's due, Alan actually did most of this under Andy's guidance, and he's done a lovely, lovely job. So that's pre-built, pre-programmed, ready to go. We've got the turn box, got all the networks in here. Greens is obviously the uplinks and the connections. And then we've just dressed our tails underneath the rack. And I'm just getting all the last couple of cables in here. It's got a black here. I'm thinking, Rich, what's the black for? It's not even got a label on it. Black is actually a spare, so then we're gonna get these cables over here. I'm trying to get this spot on the client ASAP. ASAP. HT base T 4, HT base T 3, HT base T. You'll see you won't let me do it, that's 1. 2. Got those in. I've already brought the green in here, which is the uplink, going into the rack. So this rack actually has 4 connections. Tell a lie. Got 2 satellites, SAT1, SAT2, which I've already put into here. Satellite connections. So we've got SAT connections, we've got those in. That is all the uplinks going into this rack. For the network cables, then we've got some speakers. So in here, we have an AVR, Here we are. We've got 4 zones of audio going in. So first job is 4 zones of audio, 4 zones of video, Wi-Fi network, pre-wire for CCTV, and a video intercom. I've just segregated those 2 bunches of cables. So now I've got audio zone 1, 2, 3 and 4, which is for the lounge rear, lounge front, lounge centre and lounge sub. So I've got a 5.1 system going in the lounge and thin ceiling speakers with a custom soundbar. We've done a couple of weeks. Got plenty of length on all those and a nice bit of extra sunken dress in the back. So there, let's go through these then. This beacon connector is used quite often in the live audio industry. So if you ever see the DJ setting up or been to a festival, these connectors are pretty standard there. And then what we're going to do with these, we're going to pull them back through. As you can see, they're all equal. I think there's a lot of slack there. That's actually pretty equal. Dress it in. Beautiful. Job's a good one. Job is a fish. So we've got a couple of client sources here just ready to plug in. What I'm going to do is power up the network. So there's 10 leads here, so we've got the power's all dressed in the back of there. Get everything run up. I'm going to bring this cable down here. Put into there. Turn that on. And give Rack a couple of minutes to fire up. And we'll get some bits on. If you just look through here, apart from Alan who's done a great job, they've got things such as access points are all installed. We've also just done charging there. Charge video doorbells all insulated. We've got all the stuff. Alright, so theoretically now, crank it up, it'll come into life. So we've just finished this, 3 days, technically 3.5 days before Alan says anything. So in a day and a half, we just commissioned the system, 4 zones of audio, 4 zones of video, Wi-Fi, brilliant throughout the house, we've got a video intercom, video distribution, audio distribution, have fun?
Amazing.
Top man, this man has done a sensational job and made my life very easy, very, very easy. And it is beautiful. And I've thoroughly enjoyed my last 3 days on site. Could you tell Al? Could you tell I was happy with it?
I can tell by the excitement in your face.
You can tell by the excitement in my face. So yeah, great job. Absolutely loved it.